In this video, I want to clean up and repair your registry windows in Windows 11 PC. This is very simple. First, make sure that you back up your registry on your device. This is very important in case if the process does not fully work, then you can easily restore your backup. Now, here is how to back up your file on this computer or any Windows PC. Combine Windows plus R key to give you this button here. Now type in regedit, then hit the enter button. Click on yes and you have yourself at this place. Now that I've done that, come over to this button that says file. Click on it, then click on export. When you click on export, then select desktop, then here type in backup, then click on save button. Now that is saved. So in case you want to restore your backup file, it's very simple. Here at the same place, click on file again, click on new ports. Now you can see here on the desktop, just click on this one, click on open, then we to restore your backup folder. Now let's go to the process fully on how to clean up and repair your registry on Windows PC. Go to your browser and search for soft registry repair. Click on the first link, that is regsoft.com, free Windows registry repair. Click on it to open it. Once you click on it, you have yourself at this place. Here is what you need to do. Please pay keen attention on this place. Click on download now button. Click close this as. So for this to be downloaded, you can see that it's downloading on my device. Just wait a few seconds. With very good network, you are good to go. Within 1 to 10 seconds, you are good to go. So it's almost done. Now that we've downloaded this successfully on our device, now let's open this file. Once you open the file on your download folder, double click on it to install the software on your device. Click on yes. Now you can see that initializing process. So just wait for it to install, follow the on-screen process and install this on your device. Just follow the wizard and install this on your device. Now that I've done with the installation process, you have yourself at this place. Now click on this button that says full scan. Click on it to scan your device. So you have to wait for this to fully scan your device, and this has to do with the kind of whatever file what is in your device. And wait a few seconds, guys. This won't take longer than expected. It's going to scan your device and identify any errors, and you'll be able to fix it at the end. So let's wait for it to keep scanning. Now that you fully scan your system like this, then click on this button, fix error now. So if there is any error on your device, by clicking on this button, it's going to fix it. So guys, you've been able to restore and repair your Windows registry successfully. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.